guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is a perfect green glam look for St. Patrick's Day. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Today I'm doing look number 4 in this series. I'm excited. I think I'm going to go green. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so I think this will be a good option for that. My brows are on. I'm going to go in and prime with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I love this for priming my eyes. I used to always use Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyes too. I haven't done that in a really long time, but it's a really good base. Picking up this Morphe M518. This almost dries all the way down to where I don't have to set it, but I'm still going to set it a little bit with canvas. First, picking up Tune on that same brush. I am just laying that down as a transition shade, blending it up to the brow. Picking up this Morphe M441, I'm going to take Social Blade very lightly, and I'm going to build and blend that above the crease as well. Okay, so I have that green built up and blended out. I try to show you guys when I fast forward and speed up the clips how much I actually like build and blend. But this green is so pretty. Look at how intense that is. That's such a vibrant green. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It built up really nicely. I was able to blend it out quite a bit to get it really light. But you can see where I went in with more product right in the crease. It actually made it a lot darker. And I love colors that do that because it makes it really easy to blend. Yeah, I'm just impressed. This green is really pretty. What I actually think I'm gonna do is take that same green and I'm gonna try to get the inner corner, the inner part of the crease darker with this green. And then I'm going to take the other green for the outer corner. Now I'm going to go into the shade Daddy on this Morphe M518, and I'm going to build that up on the outer corner and blend it on the outer half of the crease. I am loving the way these greens look. Wow, I really like this. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. concealer again, carve out the lid, and then I am going to take Ring Light on the very inner corner and fade it into So Good, which is that goldy shade. And then once I have that blended out, I'm just taking that brush and I am just blending over the edges. So I'm going to take Spooky, which is the black, on a little angled brush, and I'm just going to smudge that out on my lash line. Did just bring that out a little bit. There was some fallout with that black shade, so now I'm just gonna go put lashes on and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish up the eye look. Okay guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I'm filming a foundation wear test, so that video will be coming up next if you want to see it. So let's finish up this eye look. I think I'm just gonna go really simple, go in with Daddy really close to the lower lash line, and then smoke it out with Social Blade. And I think I'm gonna keep Social Blade on the outer half. Taking Flashback, just cleaning up right under my brow. I think I want a more gold highlight, so I am taking Sister. I think I want to add a little bit of glitter, so I'm going to take the Stila glitters, and this is in Smoldering Satin, and I'm just going to add glitter right to the tops of the cut crease. And then going on the waterline with the 24/7 pencil from Urban Decay in 0. And popping on some mascara. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I really love these greens. This eyeshadow look turned out so good. I love this look. I think it looks so good. I don't play with greens too often, but I think that this turned out really good. I really liked, I mean, they were super easy. I had no problem blending them at all. I really like these colors. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any products or any color combinations you'd like to see me use in this series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.